Welcome. I'm gonna be showing you how to make over $4,000 flipping these two Priuses. Let me show you how it's done. Here it is. So I'm gonna be flipping two cars for this video. If you guys don't know me, I pretty much do this for a living, all right? So this is a 2006, this is a 2008. This one was looking crazy as well as that one. Let me show you the before and after. Here's the 2006, 116K miles. Here's the 2008. This one has 97K miles. Both of these cars came from Copart. This one wasn't a side accident, all right? So the whole fender was completely messed up as well as the door. My body guy literally got the parts for me, and all the numbers to this car will be on the screen. This one does have the leather interior, so I do plan to make over $2,000 with this one in specific because I have 32 invested into this car and I posted it for 57, all right? So basically what I'm saying, if I sell it for 52, I make $2,000. So I have a lot of wiggle room from 52 to 57. So guys, do the math. I could possibly make 2,500 with this car. So that's literally all I did with this one. Let me show you the other one. And this Prius wasn't a rear accident. The hatch was replaced. It is fully functional, as well as both of the tail lights were replaced. And I was able to save this rear bumper. And this is what saved me the most money, because all I did, because if you look at the images, it was dented right here. I used a heat gun to take out this dent right here by pushing it with my hand the opposite direction. So I just heated it up and pushed it out that way. And this interior was just completely disgusting, all right? So as you guys can see, this floor mat, just imagine that across the whole goddamn car. You can still see a little bit of that dirtiness on that armrest, but I was able to save this seat, all right? So I did shampoo this seats, and as well as this side. I was basically able to make this car look almost brand new, all right? I have $4,000 invested into this Prius. My plan is to post it for $6,100 just so I can make $2,100. But realistically, just because the rear bumper still looks kind of ugly and you know the bumper doesn't fit that well, I'm gonna probably sell this for $5,800 to make $1,800, and it will still make me total for these two cars $4,000 profit. $7,200 invested into these two Priuses for a return of $4,000, all right? So that is not a bad deal. I haven't even sold these cars, but I know I'm gonna make $4,000 due to the fact I have a lot of experience now when it comes to trying to flip a car. So anyways, how do you do it, all right? You guys have been asking me, how do you do it? How do you do it? How do you do it? All you got to do is just go on Google and type in, you know, auto auctioning brokers, okay? There's multiple websites where you can find brokers and you can use them, but that's the trick. But thankfully, I have a very good relationship with my brokers. Shout out to Manny and Mo if you guys are watching this. And none of this will be happening if it weren't for y'all. The second step is make sure your description on Facebook when you post on these cars look good, all right? So again, I'll pop up both of my cars when I posted it on Facebook. The images look pretty good, and if you look at the description, that's how it needs to look like. You cannot be like, it runs and drives, no issues, no problem, and expect your messages inbox on Messenger on Facebook. It's gonna go crazy. Good luck if you do it. It is possible. I'm not saying it's impossible. It's a higher chance for you to sell the car if you're a little bit more descriptive with the car. Anyways, that's all you got to do, all right? Find a broker, make sure your description is looking nice and pretty as well as the photos, and make sure you buy low and you sell high, or just at least make sure you can make $1,000 to $2,000 with each car, all right? So anyways, leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell, do everything to show some love, guys. I see you guys once these cars are sold, so I could possibly make over $4,000, all right? Anyways, let's go. All right. The buyer is going to pull up here in 5 minutes. I'm going to be showing him two Priuses. Like I said, I'm going to be selling these cars for $4 grand. Total profit together. He should be here within shortly. And yeah, so I'm going to pitch him this one. I'm going to pitch him this one. This is the one he is actually interested in. But I did already buff out the scratches that already were here. There was no way I was going to present this car with like scratches all over the side as well. I try my best with this one, but these are a little bit more deeper because I'm assuming, you know, like I guess when they got hit this way, it kind of scratched up that fender a little bit. Yeah, he's actually right here. Look, he's actually right here. Look, he's pulling up. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna secure the bag. I see you guys once this car's sold. All right, it is time to sell the Prius. This is the silver one. As you can see, they're gonna be pulling up right here. They're literally right here, as you can see. Boom. Let's see how this goes. We already agreed on the price. I've been talking to her for about 2 weeks. Let's see how it's done. All right, after selling both of the cars, I was able to close in $3,750 profit, and I was short $350. All right, I know I said I was gonna make $4K, but that is not too far off. All right, the only reason why I went down the price because the seats were torn up on the silver one, and the paint on the clear coat on the hood and on the roof was completely faded out. All right, so I did scare a lot of buyers that way. One other thing is that the cluster on my silver Prius did go out. It's a common problem with these Priuses. I had to solder the motherboard, which I've never done with no experience. Wasn't too bad. I'll pop it up in the screen on what I had to do. I had to take apart the whole dash, which is pretty delicate because those air vents, they break super easily. All right, and then I had to take out the cluster and solder the motherboard. I did buy all the equipment, so that's why I was able to put that into my expenses of my profit, because I'm using the profit to pay for the equipment as well. So that's why I was only able to make, I believe, $1,300 profit with the car. So that's why I was able to close in at $3,650. But anyways, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell. Do everything to show some love, guys. Not a bad deal. Sold these cars in 2.5 weeks. Guys, you could do it too. I'm planning and I'm scaling to make $11K this month if I'm able to close off the month with all these cars, all right? I could make 15 to 20K, and I truly believe I can do it because I figured out a way to get all these cars for super cheap and high quality, all right? So anyways, let's see in the future if I'm able to scale up to 20K a month. Hey, you never know, all right? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.